Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. If you are seeing this blue color candlestick, that indicates yesterday's market price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 6020. As you all know, we don't take the spike down or gap down opening as the price opening. Whatever we are saying as the LTP, when the price opened around 10 o'clock, that we take as a price opening. What we expected yesterday was, we expected crude to continue its uptrend, having 6020 and 6000 as one of the major zone. The next major and the bottommost support zone was 5960. Till 5960, we expected crude to continue and maintain its uptrend, and also in order to give a clear signal for buyers, we also expected a price closing above 6060, so that can induce lot of buyers. Now let us see what happened after the price opening. So after the price opening, which was just within the key zone of 6020 and 6000, there was a consolidation. You can see the price was thinking a lot. All the traders were thinking where the price will move, but there was a strong consolidation. After that, the price went and tested 6060. If you notice the high that created in this particular zone when the price was trading on December 4th, the price found a resistance here, so the price dropped, and then it found a resistance, so there was a drop. In the same way, the price went up till 5054. Actually, it was trying to test the resistance zone of 6060. We all know this is also a strong resistance. In order for crude oil to give a clear buy signal, we expected something above 6060, but it found a resistance. Then there was a long consolidation. Again the price came and tested 6020, where it found a support again. Then there was a pullback. The price came down and tested the low that was created during the morning session. Again there was a pullback, so the price went and tested the high again. Still it could not break 6060, so the price came down and closed around 6034. It was a perfect consolidation with the trend. Now let us see the open high low close analysis. When we see the yesterday's price opening and compare with the previous day price opening, we can notice that the yesterday's price opening was a bit lower, and also lower than the previous day's price closing. Also, it could not create a new high compared to the previous day, and also it didn't create a new low. That's a good point for buyers. It didn't came down below 5980s, so it maintained something within the previous day price action itself. And the price closing, if you notice the price closing, yesterday's price closing was just below the previous day's price closing. So that is some negative thing that happened for buyers, because in order to give or pull lot of buyers, we expected the price to close or break 6060, so that would have induced or pulled lot of buyers. But the price closing was below the previous day's price closing. So what we can do today, there is no change in the strategy whatever we followed in yesterday's market. Today the expected price opening can be near the same zone where the price closed yesterday. So what we are expecting today, the same thing, 6020 and 6000. These zones should act as a support, like what it did on the yesterday's market, having 5960 as the bottom support. Till this zone we can expect crude to continue its uptrend. If you see any price action below 5960, don't go for buying below this. Just leave and wait for the market to give a clear trend signal, and then we will enter into the trade. So in order for the crude oil to move in line as per our expectation to reach the target goals of 6120, and 6160. Today we need something above 6060 and a price closing above 6060. That alone can pull and give a clear signal for all the buyers that the price is going upwards. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.